What's up, you guys? Welcome to XJ Justice channel. So today I'll be showing you guys how to upgrade the interior door speakers on your XJ40 from the year 1989 through 1990. It's a little bit different on the other XJ40s. So in the same video I'll be showing you guys how to remove the door panels, the wood trim, the window switches, and the door light bulb. I'll be demonstrating how to do this on the front door, but it's the same procedure for the rear door. So let's get to it. Use a small flathead screwdriver to remove the door handle cover. Use a fillet head screwdriver to remove the screw. Press on the wood trim and slide it towards the dash. Remove the two screws holding the upper door panel. Remove the hidden screw underneath the rubber grommet. Remove the retainer clip near the door hinge. If you need to replace the door light, remove the screw holding the cover and slide the cover out. You might need a pry tool. You might want to consider upgrading the light to LED. The part number is 194. Remove the top screw. Remove the retainer clip from underneath the armrest. Push the armrest away from you. The one on my XJ40 came out smooth, but sometimes you have to move it around. Remove 3 screws behind the armrest. Unplug the door light socket. Disconnect the speaker harness. Remove the zip tie holding the wires to the plate together. Remove the screws around the cover plate. If you guys want to remove the wood trim or the window switch, just remove this trim out, then slide the window switch out. Just be careful. I pulled the window switch too hard and a piece of the wood trim chipped off. Use a 7/8 socket, extension and ratchet to remove the nuts holding the speaker and the speaker cover. If you plan on replacing the speakers, you will need to cut the wires. Red green is negative and solid red is positive. If you need to replace the door light socket, just remove the 2 screws and pull it out. If you want to clean the door ashtrays, just pull it out. Alright, you guys, if y'all found this video helpful, please select the like button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Late.